solitude learners. These learners are the opposite of social learners. Solitary learners learn best by studying alone without having to interact with other learners. They thrive on individual work. Tertiary education courses for solitude learners emphasize independent study, self-paced learning, and opportunities for in-depth exploration of specific topics. Fields such as philosophy, theology, and any other courses of interest to the learner that is developed as online course or programs fall into this category. Fields such as philosophy, psychology, theology, and literary studies encourage self-reflection and independent work. Often involves extensive reading, writing, and critical thinking, which can be done effectively in solitude. Online courses and degrees provide the flexibility solitude learners appreciate. Number 8, nature learners. Nature learners are those that learn best when in contact with nature. Nature learners need to be outside in a calm and relaxing environment to learn better. Tertiary education courses for nature learners often fall under natural sciences, environmental studies, and related fields such as sustainability, geography, ecology, biology, chemistry, earth science, environmental resource management, environmental science, environmental engineering, forestry, wildlife conservation, climate science, natural resources management, and courses like this.